Hi students, let's talk about your reflection. Now inside the class, there are very few bonus opportunities that you could possibly do. The reflections for certain modules are that area that you can get bonus points. These are hand graded. You have 3 attempts to them. It will take the highest grade of all the attempts that you submit, but these are bonus opportunities worth on average about 10 points. Some could be worth less, some are worth more, but about 10 points of bonus points for any of the reflections that you do. Now let's go and look at the reflection for Module 1. The very first thing to remember is not every module has a bonus point opportunity. These reflections are only in certain modules and in certain classes. So your class may or may not have any reflections in it. If you do, you'll see them here. Now the objective of these are to encourage you to think critically about what you've learned, how you handled your own learning, and how the module actually impacted you. You're going to have fairly in-depth questions that you're going to fill in the blank, and then you're going to have ranked questions where it says you either strongly disagree or strongly agree. These questions typically cover things like the instructional materials, was it helpful? The supplemental course materials, did you find those helpful? And then you're going to get even more in-depth questions where you can add additional content. This is sort of a mini review for you as a student to critique the class, show me where I can do better, show where we can benefit, or any errors that you found, and really reflect in-depthly upon your own learning. Did you take an active participation inside the module? Did you spend the appropriate amount of time? Did you do the things that you were supposed to do as a student? And if you didn't, are you happy with the grade you received? So the reflections are completely internal, that I want to see what you thought, your opinions, and this is a place for you to give me input on the module that you just learned about and in real time. Instead of waiting to the end of the semester where I then can ask you questions, but you will only remember Module 2, I do this as a chunk inside each individual module or inside certain modules that I want to modify, reflect on, or get better at. So guys, they are bonus points. You have 3 attempts to take them. They are on the same deadline schedule as your modules. Not every module has a reflection. So if you're needing some bonus points, you're thinking, man, I won't need them. When it comes to that final week and you look back and think, man, I really could have used 10, 15, 20 extra bonus points, you will not be able to go back and redo the reflections after the deadlines. So go ahead and use those reflections. When you see them pop up, do them. It won't take you very long. We're talking 5 minutes max, and that will give you a good solid bonus, 10 bonus points for every time you do one of them. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about the reflections or whatnot, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the modules, and every module going forward will be laid out the exact same way. So you can always reference the old materials, the old lectures and whatnot in the previous modules to see how things will accomplish. Have a very fruitful day. Bye guys.